Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some of my current favorite outfits. Because you know, we're all locked up here in quarantine. We can't go out, we can't go for coffees, for brunch, we can't go get food, we can't see our friends. So these are some of the outfits, if we were allowed out, I'd be wearing. Okay guys, outfit number one is just this t-shirt with this Zara jacket kind of thing. It's like a denim kind of overshirt. I just think it's really nice. It's like perfect for spring because it's light, it's oversized, it's comfy, and I really like it. So I'm gonna wear this. I have like some chains on because I love jewelry. If you'd like to see me do a jewelry tour kind of video where I show you some of my jewelry, why I picked it up and everything, let me know down below. But I'm gonna wear this, and then also I have these are my new jeans that I got. I am obsessed with them. They're just like basic blue denim jeans, and if you don't know what I'm wearing right now, I'm wearing trackies, so just in case your minds are going curious. So I'm gonna wear this, and this. Okay guys, so for the next outfit, I'm going to keep the base the same, like the black t-shirt and these jeans and the jewelry for now. And I'm just going to change out the top. So I love this one. This is like my favorite jumper. It's from Tommy Hilfiger. It's just a navy and white one. And I actually get a lot of compliments on this whenever I wear it in videos. So I love it. So I'm going to wear this with the jeans. And then for the jacket, I'm going to throw on this kind of like, oh my god, it's like my favorite jacket. It's like kind of vintage looking, so I'm gonna throw this over it and put on a pair of white Air Forces, and we'll be good to go. I think this outfit is very simple and easy, and like it works for anywhere you go. If you're going getting grocery shopping, if you're going for a coffee, if you're just going to meet your friends, like wherever it be, it's comfy. Okay, and outfit number three is basically the exact same. It's just this, the only thing I'm changing out is the Tommy jumper thing. I'm putting in this grey jumper. It's just a bit more simple, so like if you're not wanting to go all out there with the logos and everything, you can just swap it out for this. And this one is from Zara. It's my favorite hoodie. It's like so soft, and it has the perfect fit. So like if you're ever looking for a good hoodie that's not expensive, Zara is the place to go. It's just perfect. Okay guys, and the final outfit is just completely changed. We're still going with the blue denim because I'm just loving blue denim at the minute. So instead of the black t-shirt, I'm wearing a white t-shirt. So I'm going to put this on, and then I'm going to put this kind of crew neck sweatshirt over it. It's so cool. It's like a tie-dye sort of vibe. I love this. I just love how like it's so like different. Like it's not like it's a basic grey crew neck. It's like just a bit more interesting, and it's oversized as well. And then I'm gonna throw on these jeans. I got these ages ago, like at least 2 years ago, but I just love that the knees are like blown out, and then it also has like a rip up on the upper thigh as well. So and it's on the other side. And the thing I like most about them though is they have like zips on the bottom, which is really cool. So I'm gonna wear this, and then I'm just gonna throw on a pair of white Air Forces, and we'll call it a day. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know down in the comments what was your favorite outfit. I know these aren't the most like crazy cool outfits. They're just what I'm currently liking, and like it changes all the time. Like my style and my moods and everything change all the time. So once I get bored of these, I'll do an updated one, and show you. So do let me know in the comments which was your favorite. What are you loving at the minute? Are you loving denim? Is it corduroy? Is it silk? I'd love to know. And with that being said, guys, oh, and also if you have any shops recommendations for me, I'm always open to try new things and shop elsewhere. Do let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. But before you go, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.